Canada is one of the best countries in the world, which provide a quality of life to their citizens, which results in every year many international students come to Canada for their bright future and right opportunity. And in this video, I'm gonna show you 4 colleges of British Columbia which accept international students application in overall 6 and not less than 5.5 band score of IELTS. So let's start the video. So the first one is the College of Rockies. This college is situated in Cranbrook, British Columbia. They welcome application in overall 6 and 5.5 in one module of IELTS. Our campus is very beautiful and provide various courses to international scholars. When I was doing my IELTS, I also sent them email about my condition offer letter and they agreed to give me. They also said once you are done with your IELTS, you can submit your band score and other transcript to us. Second one is College of New Caledonia. This college is situated in Prince George. As you all know that I studied from there and I know about the city and college. Both are very beautiful, but CNC not provides so many courses to postgrad students and the offer letter processing time is also very high because of a number of applications in each intake. But the fee structure of CNC is very less as compared to the other colleges of British Columbia and Toronto as well. So if you applied offer letter in CNC, I'm gonna suggest you don't stay with the one option and try in other colleges as well. The third one in our list is the North Island College situated in Courtenay, British Columbia. This college also accepts application in overall 6 and 5.5 in one module and providing a number of programs to international students. I am not sure about the postgrad programs, but for undergraduate they have many options. So the last one in my list is the Northern Lights College. This college is situated in the Dawson Creek, not so far from the Prince George. This college also offers a numerous program to all undergraduate and postgraduate students. City is not so big and many students don't know about this college. That's why the fee structure is very less as compared to the other educational institutes. For more information you can search on the website, but the band requirement is very in this college. For the undergrad student they accept 6 and not less than 5.5 and for the postgrad students they accept 6.5 not less than 6. I hope you like this video and don't forget to hit on a like, share, comment and subscribe below.